All right, Gary. So in promotion of our next giveaway, $20,000 giveaway, if you had to choose a certain makeover for your house, what would you choose and why?
Well, I'd like to have new windows because they leak real bad, and I can't really afford.
I definitely could use a new bathtub. So I take out the old fiberglass unit and give myself a nice fancy one from LJ Stone. I really like the Horizon beige color. It's got a really good texture to it, and I'd probably give it a simulated tile look. It looks really good.
What would you choose if you won the $20,000 giveaway?
Easily, I would choose the bathroom. And the reason being, I got a very small bathroom that's from the 50s, and it's got a low bearing wall, and then the tub section with a little like vintage door that pulls there and back, and then it's just a real tiny section with tile that just needs to get out of there. So I'd want to basically get the nice high-tech polymer blend material of the stone granite look with the lasered etched engravings to make them big blocks. Get a handlebar put on wrist right side of the side, and then have the waterfall option of the shower head just kind of sit there, because I just like to kind of just soak and kind of ponder, you know. So that's what I would get done.
You can go to ljstone.com. You can fill out the form right there and be able to enter yourself for the giveaway pretty easily.